Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up a portable hotspot on your Xiaomi 13T. So in order to do that, let's scroll down to our control panel. Right here, let's find our hotspot icon. It looks like this. So our hotspot is on, so let's adjust it. Give it a long hold. Now we entered our portable hotspot options. So here you can do a few things. For example, activate it by simply tapping on the switch, right? So now it's deactivated, now it's activated. All right, you can use your turn off hotspot automatically option. So turn on hotspot automatically where no devices are connected. Also, let's edit it. So simply press set up portable hotspot. Now I've got your device name. If you'd like to rename it, simply do this. Let's actually do this. Let's give it a custom name. Let it be custom. All right. Now you've got automatically generated password. Let's delete it. So simply tap on it, delete it. Set up your custom password. Make sure that it's at least 8 digits, right? Here you can choose your security protocol, a P-band protocol, and hide it to SSID or not. I recommend using the 3 of those briefly, and I think for the most use you can just leave it as it is. So when you're satisfied with everything, at the top right corner find the stick icon, tap on it, and now your hotspot is on. To turn it off when you're done, simply go back to your control panel, swipe down from the very top of the screen, find this icon and tap on it. Now it's off. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.